Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. So now without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So guys, today again we're back with multiple job openings from multiple MNCs. So firstly, let's see what is there from Oracle. So guys, it's a software developer position from Oracle for both freshers and experienced. So it's a great opportunity, which is a permanent opportunity from Oracle. So it's not any contract based job, and it comes under a product development. And coming to your skill set, so here they have provided a very limited skill set, which is just SQL queries. So you should be proficient in all basic and complex SQL queries in order to crack this job. So that's about the skill set, nothing more than that. And all 2022 and 2023 graduates can apply for this position. So coming to your responsibilities, here you will be involved in developing, debugging and designing your software applications or operating systems according to the given design specifications. So as it is a developer role, you will be involved in all these activities, and also you have to work on enhancements. And also you'll be involved in analyzing all technical coding issues which are submitted by internal or external clients. So you have to debug and document the investigation and provide the resolution using various debugging techniques. So you have to perform a root cause analysis and give a complete documentation in order to explain your team where the issue is. And you should have a very good communication skills, both verbal and written, in order to communicate with your internal and external clients and teams on issue resolution. And also you'll be involved in our testing tools. So guys, that's a very quick information about this position from Oracle for both freshers and experienced. So if you are just proficient in all these SQL queries, all PL SQL queries, all basic and complex queries, you can easily crack this interview. So just don't miss this opportunity. Both freshers and experienced can apply for this position from Oracle. And that's about this role. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a wonderful opportunity from Cyient for all the candidates from 2018 to 2020 graduates who are still looking for an IT job with no prior work experience. So candidates from 2018 to 2020 graduates, just don't miss this opportunity. Apply it as soon as possible if you want to start your career in IT with no prior work experience. So guys, it's a trainee apprentice position from Cyient, and you might get posted in a Hyderabad location once you get hired for this position. And it's a full-time opportunity from Cyient, so it has been posted around 1 month ago. So guys, just apply it as soon as possible before the position gets filled. Just don't miss this opportunity. So as I said earlier, any engineering diploma or BE, BTech or BSc or MSc graduated in 2018, 19 and 2020 with no prior work experience can apply for this position. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity. If you want to start your career in IT and you are still looking for a job from 2018 to 2020 passed outs with no prior work experience. And guys, a good thing here is that once you get hired for this position, you'll be trained on different projects, which includes domain telecommunication, utilities, geospatial, mining, exploration, navigation, and tools and applications like AutoCAD, ARCGIS, MicroStation, QGIS, and Google Earth. So you'll be trained on all these domains, and based on your business requirement, you'll be allocated a specific project. And also they've disclosed the salary details here, so I'll be discussing those as well. So just don't skip this video and watch it till the end. So coming to your responsibilities, you have to understand the structural data such as digital geospatial maps and engineering designs or documents, and unstructured data, which is text, logs, spreadsheets, information, PDFs and images. So you have to use your problem solving skills on these geospatial maps and engineering design, analysis and interpretation. So you should be able to learn and adopt any CAD or JS tools, IP tools and MS Office, and you should be able to create or modify or update the geospatial based network or any other engineering designs. And coming to year details, salary details, so you'll be paid 1,75,000 initially. So first 6 months you'll be given a stipend of 13,000 per month, and next 6 months it will be 14,000 per month. So after completion of your first 6 months, you'll be given a bonus of 6,500 as well, and after completion of 12 months you'll be given 6,500 again. So that's about your compensation details. But once you have completed your 1 year of with this company, you'll be given a hike of 2,50,000 to 2,75,000. So you can see a hike in your salary after completion of 1 year with this company from 1,75,000 to 2,50,000 or a 2,75,000 per annum based on your performance. And also apart from this, you will be eligible for your PLI allowances and other benefits. So you can apply your annual leaves, and you and your family also will be eligible for employee state insurance, and office transportation also will be given for you. So after gaining experience on these domains, you'll have the potential to lead the team or play a key role as a subject matter expert. And also you can upskill or reskill on the technologies which Cyient is working on, and you can apply for other opportunities through internal job postings. So that's a very good opportunity, and you can work in any of these three shifts as per your business requirement. So the first shift will be from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. and the second shift from 3 p.m. to 12 a.m. and general shift will be from 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So you should be able to work in any of these shifts based on your project requirement. So guys, for the initial 4 weeks, you'll be given a training, and post your training, you'll be given a work from home, which is a temporary work from home, and after that, you'll have to work from office. So you should have these educational copies from SSC to your highest degree, and individual memos or a consolidated marks memo, and your professional certificate and Aadhaar and PAN card. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity. Who are looking for an IT job from 2018 to 2020 graduates, it's a very good start for your career if you want to work in IT. After that, you can easily switch into other company with a high packages with this experience. So just don't miss this opportunity, which is a very good start for your career from 2018 to 20 past outs with no prior work experience. So guys, apply it as soon as possible before the position gets filled, as it has been posted around 1 month ago. Just don't miss this opportunity for this trainee apprentice position. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's again a very good opportunity from IBM for associate consultant position for minimum experienced candidates. So all bachelor's degree and master's degree candidates can apply for this position, but you should have a minimum experience. So coming to your skill set, you should be proficient in coding, and you should be a good developer in both front-end and back-end code in Java, and Microsoft services development, that would be an added advantage. So you should be able to code and operate in hybrid cloud environment, and exposure to AWS or Azure or Google Cloud. And also you should have a good communication skills, so you should be able to build a microservices, and you should have a good hands on it. And you should be preferably a full stack developer, which is both front end and back end development exposure should be there. And it's good if you have completed any of these courses on Pluralsight or Coursera or EDX on programming or cloud or AI, and any certification from AWS, Azure or Google, that would be an added advantage here. And you should be aware of all standard open source tools. So that's about your preferred skills and a must-have skill set. So as an application developer, here you have to design the applications where you have to write the code, test it and debug it, and maintain it across the various platforms and technologies. So guys, it's preferably a full stack developer position. So if you are interested in this kind of developer roles, to just don't miss this opportunity from IBM. So but you should have a minimum experience in order to apply for this position, where you can expect up to a 10 to 20 lakh per annum based on your experience. So apply it as soon as possible before the position gets filled. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have a transportation specialist position open from Amazon for both freshers and experienced. And you'll get posted in a Hyderabad location once you get hired for this position, and you can expect up to 4 lakh per annum for this role. So coming to your eligibility criteria, all bachelor's degree in computer science or engineering or statistics can apply for this position. So all 2022 and 23 passed outs, maybe 2021 graduates can also apply for this. And you should be good in Excel. So it's good if you have some stakeholder management skills, and you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written. So that's about your eligibility criteria, and you'll get posted in Hyderabad location. Here you can see. And so as a transportation specialist, here you'll have to manage the configuration in Amazon tools, and thereby you have to identify the technical dependencies and communicate with your cross-functional teams in order to ensure a timely and successful delivery of the projects and programs. So these services basically improve your customer experience by providing better promises and in planning and execution to lower transportation cost. So this is actually a critical part of Amazon's ordering and fulfillment pipeline. So you should have to prioritize and well communicate clearly and have a consistent track record of delivery. So if you want to success in this position. So that's about your eligibility criteria and role about this position. So if you're interested in this position from Amazon, just apply it as soon as possible. So this comes into a non-technical role, and if you are interested in these kind of non-technical roles from these MNCs, just don't miss this opportunity, guys. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's an automation tester position from Genpact company for both freshers and experienced. So coming to your eligibility criteria, all bachelor's or master's degree or equivalent Salesforce certification, that would be an added advantage. So all these candidates can apply for this position. And in preferred qualification, they have mentioned it's good if you have experience in testing and good knowledge on SQL or SQL queries and good knowledge on automation tool, which is a Selenium. So it's good if you have all these skills as well. And coming to your responsibilities, so you should have either have a good understanding or working experience on software development life cycles, test case writing, execution, defects reporting, and testing of a Salesforce or SharePoint apps, and writing test cases and defect tracking using Azure DevOps. And you should be able to work with a project team on defects resolution. So you should have a good experience in test management, which is an added advantage for this position. And you should be able to do some automation test scripts using a JavaScript, which is a Selenium. And you should be able to handle the projects or CRs for your test strategies and conducting a regression test, and a very good knowledge on SQL or SQL queries in Salesforce. So you have to provide a daily or a weekly status updates on your testing progress. So basically this is a tester role. So guys, where only 30 to 40% of the coding will be involved, so much coding is not involved in this position. So if you are looking for this kind of tester roles, so just don't miss this opportunity from Genpact company. Apply it as soon as possible, guys. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a learning operation associate position from Accenture for both freshers and experienced, for which you can expect up to a 4 lakh per annum. So coming to your other job details, so your designation would be learning operation associate and you'll get posted in a Bangalore location. So any graduate like BE or BTech or ME or MTech or BSc, BCom, so any graduate can apply for this position. So either you can apply it as a fresher, or if you have any earlier experience up to 1 year, then also good to apply for this position. So coming to your skills, what all you need is excellent communication skills, both verbal and written. So you should be comfortable speaking to a large audience, and a good skills like Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. So you should have a good analytical skills and customer service skills. And coming to your responsibilities, you have to organize and ensure all the sessions that have an end-to-end support. So you have to manage the on-site activities and coordination between all stakeholders, vendors, faculties before and during the session. You have to take care of all this. And also you have to consult with other teams and maintain a good relationships and ensure a backup plan is communicated to your SME or team lead whenever necessary. And you have to support all the trainings or virtual trainings as per your business requirement, resolving faculty and learner questions. And you have to ensure that high standard of customer service is maintained, and you have to take care of all the assigned virtual sessions. And so that's about your role and responsibilities for this particular position. So guys, if you should have excellent communication skills, so that's all what you need for this position. And if you're interested in these kind of roles, just apply it as soon as possible, so which comes into a non-technical role, and apply it as soon as possible before the position gets filled. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's an associate position from Virtusa for minimum experienced candidates, for which you can expect up to a 10 to 15 lakh per annum based on your experience. So coming to your skills, minimum experienced candidates like from 1 to 2 years or 1 to 5 years can apply for this role, and you'll get posted on a Chennai location once you get hired for this. So you should have a very good skills on ServiceNow platforms. So that's what they have mentioned for this particular role, nothing more than that. So here you'll be responsible for developing and implementing the complex solutions in order to meet your customer requirements, and you have to work on configuring or implementing the custom application modules, where you have to work closely with all your peers in order to ensure delivery on time or on budget and on scope. So you should be supporting your cross functional teams as well based on your business requirement. So this has been posted recently, so guys, apply it as soon as possible if you have these skills like ServiceNow platforms, or if you are eligible for this, apply it as soon as possible before the position gets filled. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Amazon for both freshers and experience, which is a non-technical role, for which you'll be paid around 3 to 4.5 lakh per annum. They've also disclosed the salary details here. So they have a good number of vacancies for this position, which is a 50. So 0 to 5 years, from freshers to 5 years experienced candidates can apply for this position, and you'll be paid 3 to 4.5 lakh per annum. They've also given your work location here, which is Bangalore Electronic City Phase 2. So what all you need is excellent communication skills, both verbal and written, so nothing more than that. So all 2018 to 2023 passed outs can apply for this role with no prior work experience, and you have to work 5 days in a week with a 2 rotational week offs. So 24/7 shifts you have to work, for which you'll be paid some good shift allowances as well. So you have to work in Electronic City Phase 2 Bangalore location, and also you'll be given a two-way cab facility. So if you are interested in this position, just contact this person Ash on this number, either through direct call or WhatsApp. So just give your resume to this person, mail your resume, or WhatsApp your resume to this person as soon as possible. So this has been posted around 3 days ago, and there are a higher number of applicants for this position. So guys, just apply it as soon as possible. You should have only excellent communication skills for this particular position, and they're going to provide a very good package, which is 3 to 4.5 lakh per annum for this non-technical role. So apply it as soon as possible. So guys, that's it for today about these various positions from multiple MNCs. So if you are interested or eligible in any of these roles, apply it as soon as possible, and especially from 2018 to 2020 graduates, don't miss this opportunity from both Cyient and Amazon. And also you can refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs in our channel, which are listed according to the playlist and which are still open from long ago. So please do check those as well and apply right away before the position gets filled. And guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. Thank you.